తెలంగాణ ప్రజా ప్రభుత్వానికి ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి, ఐటీ శాఖ మంత్రులు శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారికి మరియు ఐటీఈ అండ్ సి స్పెషల్ చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ జయేష్ రంజన్ గారికి ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ పర్యటన గురించి తెలంగాణ అకాడమీ ఫర్ స్కిల్ అండ్ నాలెడ్జ్ చీఫ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ ఆఫీసర్ శ్రీ సుంకిరెడ్డి రాఘవేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు మాట్లాడుతూ, ఈ సందర్భంగా తమ పిల్లల్లో సమర్థతను గుర్తించి గ్లోబల్ స్టేజ్ వరకు తీసుకెళ్లేలా ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి దూరదృష్టి, ఐటీ మంత్రి శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారి నిబద్ధత, ఐటీఈ అండ్ సి స్పెషల్ చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ జయేష్ రంజన్ మరియు సుంకిరెడ్డి రాఘవేందర్ రెడ్డి గారి ప్రోత్సాహం పట్ల యువ ఆవిష్కర్తల తల్లిదండ్రులు హర్షం వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
So before we begin with the next set of introductions, I would like to invite all our esteemed dignitaries, mainly Mr. Raghavendra R. Sunkireddy, onto the dais, please. Yes. Can we have a round of applause? Your presence here represents the strength of our shared mission, bringing innovation, sustainability, and youth empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome them with one more round of applause. Thank you. Telangana is the youngest state in India and has been instrumental in driving our shared vision of empowering youth and green skills and fostering sustainable innovation. This partnership with the Department of Information Technology, Government of Telangana, led by Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Special Chief Secretary, ITENC, exemplifies a commitment to nurturing future-ready talent. It's my privilege to invite a distinguished representative from our partner state, Mr. Raghu, who is the Chief Operating Officer of Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge, which is also called as TASK. Raghu Garu is Mr. Raghavendra R. Sunkireddy is a leader with over 14 years of experience in corporate, education, and health sectors. As COO of TASK, he champions youth skill development for a sustainable future. Raghu Garu, couple of remarks from you, please.
Thank you, Deepika. Good evening, everyone. So I'm Sunkireddy Raghavendra Reddy from Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge, which is also called TASK. So TASK, Telangana Academy Skill and Knowledge, is key initiative by the state government of Telangana, aimed at addressing the skill gap in the workforce and enhancing employability quotient. The primary objective of TASK is to build skilled workforce by offering a range of training programs that bridge the gap between educational qualifications and industry requirements. Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge has benefited 755 colleges, about 300,000 students. The Academy's initiative are contributing to the reduction of unemployment in the state by creating skilled and competent workforce. TASK plays critical role in the skill development ecosystem, providing resources and support to individuals to help them thrive in competitive job market. And it is an honor to deliver this message on behalf of Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Special Chief Secretary, Departments of Industries and Commerce, IT, ENC, Government of Telangana. This occasion is particularly significant as we witness the remarkable achievements of youth from Telangana, whose dedication and talent exemplify the spirit of innovation and resilience. Earlier this year, the 1M1B Green Skills Academy was launched for the first time in India in Telangana. Through dedicated efforts of 1M1B and the Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge, this program reached over 7,000 students across 33 colleges, including 20 tribal colleges, empowering youth from diverse backgrounds to become change makers. Today, the presence of these 4 extraordinary students at the United Nations is a testament to their hard work and the robust ecosystem Telangana has built. Thank you, 1M1B, for this partnership, and special thanks to the Civil Society Unit and the UN Department of Global Communication for giving the youth of Telangana this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Raghavender.